Hello everyone, it's Courtney with Doodle Dollar, and today we are going to be cash stuffing and playing some of these games to put towards my car payment. So if you have been following along, you know that I'm trying to pay off my car in the year 2025, or at least pay half of it. So I have this little tracker here. We are going to be filling this out every month at the end of the month, and a lot of that money is being cash stuffed every week, $125, and the rest of it is going to be from money left over from my wallet, any extra income like tutoring or other little side hustles that I do. And we're going to play these games because it's fun and it makes me happy. And I hope that you guys enjoy watching it. So I'm going to be rolling. We're also going to be doing a collaboration. Maybe I'll do that first, actually. So the collaboration is with a bunch of ladies that I have had so much fun getting to know. So we have Lils at Lils World, Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets, Vicky at Vicky Thinks, Melissa at Melissa Manages. I just realized you guys probably didn't see that. And then Autumn at Autumn 1492 or Restoration by Autumn, and myself at Doodle Dollars. So this is our seasonal showdown game that Autumn created, and I was very thankful to have her reach out and see who wanted to collaborate with her, and I was like, me please, and it's been so fun. So on my game board currently, Vicky is in the lead. Way to go, Vicky. Woohoo. And everyone else is tied, so it's a close call on who is going to advance this time. So I'm going to roll a few times. We're going to see. We are playing with 30 and then this stack of ones. I'm not going to count it because it's a lot, but it's at least 25 plus ones. So let's see what we get. Number 6. All right, Susan, you're starting us off this time, and we're going to color in one die for you. So Susan is Uncle Sam over here. We're doing red because, you know, it's very patriotic. All right, let's see who's next. Oh, there goes my die. All right, let me re-roll that. All right, number 1, Melissa. My girl Melissa with her yellow. Melissa manages to catch up to Susan. See what I did there? All right, and a 3 is Lils. Lils, the little Cupid. Who are you going to shoot next, Lils? Who are you going to make fall in love this season? All right. So everyone is, these 4 are tied. And oh, I am tied now. Okay, we just need Autumn. Autumn, we need to get you on board here with 3 colored in, and then we'll all be tied. Wouldn't that be amazing to leave it at that this week? Okay, let's go for a 5. Let's get a 5. Look at that. How perfect. That is so exciting. We're all tied. Okay. All right, and I'm going to stop there because for one thing, we're all tied, so that's perfect. A perfect place for us to stop. And for another thing, I want to have money to play with, do some other things. So how much do I owe? 10, 15, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so we'll throw this in there. All right, so fun that we are all tied, guys. It's going to be a close game. All right. Let me put this away. Okay, so in this game so far, we have managed to save 20, 40, 60, 65, 67, $67. Amazing. All right, now we are just gonna roll and see which challenge we land on here. Whatever we land on, we are going to complete. So this one is a easy one. You just save $5 at a time. So I'm just gonna cross out another 5 here. Dry it off so it doesn't stain my envelope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's roll and see what we get. No, not number 1 again. No, thank you. All right, number 4. All right, number 4 is Nom Nom Nation. We're gonna roll and see how many we need to advance. So I think last time we ended with this. I'm just making sure y'all can see. 1, 2, 3. National Popcorn Day is January 19th. Do y'all make your popcorn at home or do you do microwave popcorn? And if you do microwave popcorn, what is your favorite brand? Tell me in the comments what your favorite brand of popcorn is, or if you make it at home. My dad always made it at home in a pot with like oil, and so that's how I usually make it. And I always have popcorn on Sunday evenings. For some reason, that is my popcorn night. All right, this is a Shut the Box by Lovely Budgets HK. This is actually a freebie on her Ko-fi, so go check it out if you are into this and you would like to do it. So let's see how much we get for this one today. Oh my goodness, guys, that's it. We lost. So I owe 13. All right, I'm gonna take the 10. 11, 12, 13. All right. Oh, I'll just set it here for now. Okay. What's next? Number 6. Okay, number 6 is this little scratch off that I made. I owe this one $4. So let's do that first. I'm gonna take this off. All right, so this is in my Etsy shop if you are interested in getting it. My Etsy is listed in my bio. 1. Okay, so we're scratching this one. And that is going to save us $4. 1, 2, 3. I had a 5 in here. 4. That's exciting. Okay. All right, next challenge is going to be number 3, which is this one, the scary one. This has insane amounts, guys. I don't know if you see those. $20, $22. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, I'm scared. All right, do we think it's going to be less than or greater than 20? I'm going to say that it's going to be greater than 20. Let's see. Hey, look at that, y'all. I was correct. Oh my goodness, $25. Are you kidding me? Oh, Emily, you're killing me. You are killing me. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 25. Okay, let's pray that we don't get that one again. Number 4. Number 4, back to Nom Nom Nation. Look at these cute little guys. 2, we are going to, okay, 1, 2. National Peanut Butter Day. Peanut butter, and jelly. Okay, and we're saving $8 with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we just have a few dollars left to save, y'all. Let's see what challenge is next. Number 1. All right, we can do that. We can do that. Let's see if we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do indeed. So let's just mark this off. There we go. And what's our next challenge? Number 6 again. I guess I'm not rolling very well. I really need one of those. Well, I don't need it. I really want one of those dice tower. Oh, okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then maybe I would stop dropping my die every time I roll. All right, $6. I think we're gonna owe here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that, guys. This happened last time, didn't it? Well, not the last time, but like the first time. I think I ended up just exactly right on the money, which is crazy. So fun. All right. So let's go through and see how much we have total for each of these. So we have a 5 in here already. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19 out of the 35. So this one has low denominations, y'all. It is, I think the highest one might be a 9. So low income friendly, because that's what I'm used to working with. This one did not get anything, but this is also in my Etsy shop. Coffee is my Valentine. So cute. I love that one. All right, Nom Nom Nation. I don't know why I have to say it like that every time. Nom Nom Nation. Okay. What does this have? 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 46. $46 in Nom Nom Nation. This saves $100, and it's $5 to $10 increments. Or yeah. So the highest will be 10, not 20 or 25. Goodness. All right, get back in there. Get in there, you. All right. Cute little guys. All right, and Emily, with her sweet, sweet savings, has saved us a lot of money, friends. That's the one good thing about it. So we have 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it should be 5, right? 85. Let me see. Hold, please. $85. Yeah, so I probably miscounted. Let me count again. I'm missing $1. I don't know. Guys, I don't know where it went, but it'll all come out in the wash. It'll be fine. It's okay. So, anyways, because if it's not in here, then it's probably in one of my other challenges. Okay, so with this one, we have also saved a lot with this one. A decent amount. So 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 67. And we just have one more row to go. So hopefully we will finish this. I mean, we definitely, unless we never roll a 2, we will definitely finish this in January, and we'll be able to put that money towards our debt. And then this one, we have 15, 20. Okay, yeah, that's 10 there, and then we have 10 in here already. Okay. So we are saving a good amount for our debt, guys, and I am so excited for that, and I'm so excited to finish some of these challenges, not this one, but and then start some new challenges. I have some challenges from people's Ko-fis that I want to use. So if you enjoyed this, leave us a like, give us a comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and I hope that everyone has a great rest of their day, and that no, I don't know what I'm saying. I hope that everyone has a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.